Hello friends, so today I'm going to discuss about the unique pointers, which is a kind of smart pointer provided by the C++14 and C++17 versions of the compiler. So I just need to remove this first so that we can do our exercise in a clean manner. Okay, so let me show you that how the unique pointer is used and what is the special characteristic of the unique pointer. Okay, so if you want to use the unique pointer or the auto PTR or shared PTR, any kind of pointer for that matter, which has been provided by the C++14, C++17, in that case you must need to include the header memory hash include memory. This you need to include, and then only you will be able to use the unique PTR or the shared PTR or any kind of PTR. So here I'm just going to create an object of the pointer to the object of test class. Okay, so you can see the code of test class. It's very simple. I don't need to explain it, right? You can see it how it is working. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a unique underscore PTR class and then test class and then PTR, and then I need to provide PT. Okay, so sorry, not PT, it's TP. Okay, so first see that if it is working fine or not. So with the TP, I'm just going PTR, not TP, PTR. I'm just going to use the display function, right? So unique PTR, just like other smart pointers, it contains the underlying object, and it works on the underlying object, and it expose both the operators like asterisk and pointer to member operator. Both are overloaded by smart pointer classes, right? So the same has been done by the unique PTR class, and that is why when you will do this PTR to display, the underlying object, that is the test class, for that class object, this display function will be called, right? So display will be called, and the value of a will be printed here, which is 10. Okay, so this is 10. Now what I need to do, I just need to do one more thing. Unique PTR, I just want to create one more unique PTR, which is PTR1, and I just want to provide the PTR to it. I mean, I'm just using the copy constructor, and I'm assigning another unique PTR to the PTR1, right? I hope I don't need to explain it. It's very simple. It's using the copy constructor. So let's see if it compiles or not. It will not compile. See, you can see here like use of deleted function is not allowed, right? So how it has been deleted? This has been deleted inside the unique pointer about the copy constructors, right? So the copy constructor has been removed from the unique PTR in C++14 and C++17. How that can be done? Before C++14 and 17 you could not do that, but with the C++14 17 you can remove any of the copy constructor and the assignment operators from your class, right? So how we can do that, I will show you when I will implement our own unique PTR class, our own unique PTR smart pointer class. Okay, so let me show you another thing. The PTR1 is equal to PTR. This will also call the copy constructor, so it is also not going to work. So it is also going to show you the problem, the same problem, because it is also calling the copy constructor. And even if you do this, something like this, PTR1 is equal to PTR, then also it will not work because it has also deleted the assignment operator from the class, unique PTR class. Inside the unique PTR class, there is no assignment operator and there is no copy constructor. These two have been deleted. With the earlier versions, you cannot do that, but with the C++14 and C++17, inside any class, you can remove the copy constructor and the assignment operator. So let's see how we can do with our own classes. Our own class, we are going to write, better would be to write our own smart pointer class, which will be our own unique PTR class. So let's remove all these things and let's write our own unique PTR class with name underscore unique underscore PTR. And here what I need to do, I just need to give like private, and then I need to provide, first I need to write something like this class template class t template class t, and then I'm just going to provide t asterisk p, and then we are going to create the public constructors, and I need to create one public constructor unique ptr, empty constructor, need to create one unique ptr with t asterisk p obj, right? So now what I will do, I'm just going to do something like this. P should be a P object should be assigned to p obj, right? So this has been done here. Now I need to, since it's a smart pointer class, so I need to implement, I need to overload the two operators, overload asterisk operator, and then I need to overload the pointer to member operator. This is called the pointer to member operator. Okay, so I just need to do one thing here, like I'm going to write the function t reference operator asterisk, and I'm just going to return asterisk p. That's it. Nothing else has to be done. And now t asterisk and operator, we are returning a pointer, so I will just do this, and return p. That's it. And apart from this, I just need to delete the copy constructor and the assignment operator. So how I can do that? So to delete the copy constructor, I just need to write the syntax for the copy constructor. So syntax for the copy constructor is something like this: underscore unique ptr and then reference ptr, and you just need to give like delete. That's it. And then you need to unique ptr operator equal to, and you need to give the underscore unique ptr reference of ptr1 ptr is equal to delete. That's it. You just need to write this thing is equal to delete, and these two functions will be deleted. These default functions will be deleted, because when you create any class, then by default the copy constructor, the assignment operator, and a default constructor is provided to you by the compiler. But if we don't want any of the copy constructor or the assignment operator, we can just give this syntax and it will work. So if you will see in your own code, when you write the unique ptr, when you use the unique ptr, then you can just compile it, because they are the templatized classes. So templatized classes can never be shared in the DLLs or the libraries. So the code is always available for the templatized classes. So if you will use the unique ptr, and if you try to debug that, and if you reach to the library which has been provided by the C++14 and C++17, you will be able to see these two statements, like something similar to this, right? But this will be there, is equal to delete for the copy constructor and the assignment operators inside the unique ptr class that you use in your code, right? So this is my class, my own class, but you can debug the class which has been provided by the compiler itself, right? So you can do that. Okay, so now let's use our own class, our own unique ptr class. So unique ptr, and here just need to write test class, and you need to provide ptr is equal to, not equal to, just give tp, right? And then try to use the function display, so that we are sure that our own class is working fine. So let's see if it works fine or not. Okay, so it will take some time. I just need to copy it, because while I was recording, the light was gone. So since the light is gone, so it will take some time to come back for the Wi-Fi. So let's wait for that. And I'm not going to take any risk, so I'm just copying it. And it's the fourth time I am just recording this video. For the hell's sake, I don't know what happened today. For creating this small video, I have spent a lot of time, because every time this light is going, and it is disturbing all my work which I have done, right? So do the hell with this light which is going again and again. and let's see if my Wi-Fi has up or not. Once it will be back, I will show you. So you can just move this video, just you can forward this video for 1 or 2 minutes, because it will take at least 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so it's coming up, it's connecting, and then we will see that it is happening. Okay, let me just again try to connect it, disconnect, and then try to connect again. Cannot connect to this network. So this is a new beautiful thing which is happening right now. So this will not connect to this. Okay, let's see. Disconnect and try to connect again. Okay, so this time it should. Okay, this is beautiful. This is to make my life miserable. This is happening again. So let's see if it is working for this one or not. Okay, let's wait. Okay, 4G has been connected. Let me try again with 5G if it gets connected or not. Bravo. Great. Great life. Okay, so let me just reload it. You might have understood about the Rahu. There is a Rahu Kal. So this is nothing but the Rahu Kal. When I am just doing the hard work to create a video, this Rahu is just coming and just disturbing me. So okay, again, I've just updated all the things again, and I've just copy pasted here, and let's see what happens. Okay, the value of A is 10, so our new unique PTR class is working fine. Now let's see the other thing which I have seen with the library provided unique PTR, which is the copy constructor use. So PTR1, and if you give PTR, then you should be able to see a message just like we were able to see when we were using the unique PTR provided by the library. So here you can see use of deleted function this, right? So it is saying that you cannot do this because we have deleted this. If I do this, ptr1 is equal to ptr, then also we can see, sorry,